Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video, and in this video I'll show you how you can recover Telegram account. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So to do that, what you're going to do is, first thing is simply going to go ahead and make sure that whether you have deleted your account or just disabled. If you have deleted your account, so make sure it's within the next 30 days. You're going to go ahead, open up your Telegram app that you have installed in your mobile phone. You're going to open it up and you're going to go to the login section. In the login section, you're going to go ahead, enter the number of yours, the Telegram account number of yours. You're going to add in the number that is associated with your account. You're going to confirm your number. Then you're going to simply tap and simply going to select the tab to get a code via SMS to confirm and verify. Once you have done that, you will receive a SMS code. In the SMS, go ahead, copy that code and enter the verification code sent right here in the app. Once you have done that, you will have the two-step verification where you will have to provide your password. Once you have provided the password, your session will end and you will get signed in. Now the same again, if you have deleted your account and then you would like to recover, you have to make sure you do it before the time runs out, and then you have to come here and add in the same information as of your account, which is the number. You have to add the same number of your previous account. Then you will receive a verification code provided and you will be able to have your account back. That is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.